Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure SSH is reachable and XRDP is installed on the Linux machine. This gives a graphical backend for RDP. Once done, check the Linux IP or hostname and ensure port 3389 is allowed in the firewall, or plan an SSH tunnel for security. On Windows, you should have the remote desktop client ready. This early setup prevents common connection failures and lets you move straight to enabling services and testing connectivity. Now you configure the server. Enable and start XRDP with SystemTool so the service listens for connections. Check logs if it fails. Make sure a compatible desktop environment is installed and selected so sessions load correctly. For security, prefer an SSH tunnel from Windows rather than exposing 3389. Run SSH with local port forwarding to encrypt traffic. Then test localhost 3389 on the Linux host or the forwarded port locally to verify the RDP socket is responsive. Finally, open Remote Desktop on Windows and enter the Linux IP or localhost when using a tunnel. Connect and authenticate with your Linux username. Make sure you select the correct desktop session when prompted so you get a usable GUI. If the connection drops or shows a black screen, inspect /var/log/xrdp session. Log and XRDP. Log for errors, verify firewall rules, and ensure your home directory and authority permissions are correct. One key tip: restart XRDP after config change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.